So I walk out the door this morning and it is cold and rainy and just not a nice day outside. I know that the camera's not gonna pick it up, but the sky's a lot darker than it looks on the camera, but man, great way to start a Sunday morning, huh? It's supposed to rain all freaking day. And I wanna, one thing about driving in the rain in this truck is when you hit pockets of water, the truck really, for whatever reason, how wide and grippy the tires are and the knobby, you know, trail grips, they grip into the water. So if you're not paying attention, you're driving around in this truck and you hit a patch of water, it literally will yank the steering wheel. And I've almost hit a couple walls a couple times not paying attention, but it doesn't seem like today's gonna get any better weather than what it is. I gotta find a way to start the day off right, and there's no better way to do that than to come to the Bojangles. You gotta come to Bojangles. And this is literally like a quarter of a mile from my house. So you come out of my neighborhood, you take a right, you go down one stoplight, you take a left, and bam, we're at the Bojangles. So we're gonna start the day off with some Bojangles. I'm gonna run and get the wife some Starbucks, I think. So we're gonna try and start the day off on a good note. Try and get it going. My plan today is I want to get 2 videos done today, because tomorrow's video I think is gonna run a little later than 8 o'clock. So I want to try and get today's video, two videos today knocked out. So then we can double post today, tomorrow, and then, you know, kind of skip a day, but still have consistent videos. So I actually got this video. I'll tell you guys in a little bit. Let's get some food first. Hey, how's it going? Can I get a Cajun filet biscuit combo with fries and a large sweet tea? Yeah. Look how big that rat is. Oh my goodness. It's like a small child. Look, those people about to freak out. Where'd it go? Oh, he missed it.
Oh, he's so cute.
Look how big that rat is. Oh my goodness. Please tell me my camera's gonna. Look how big that rat is. That is a rat. That's not a squirrel. My camera's not focusing. Look, he's coming across the road.
Oh, he's so cute.
Look how big that. Dang. So we came to Target for just a second to pick up something for the house, and we saw the biggest rat in the middle of the parking lot at Target. And also on the way to Target, we found Clay with the big red GMC. I don't know where Clay's going now, but he's leaving us. We'll be with Clay in just a second. We just find people around here. What up, Clay? What up, homie? So I didn't tell you guys about the video today. The goal today is we're gonna decide. Now, obviously, there's a lot of people out there that get this stimulus COVID check. That's $1,200 on the dot. I'm going to figure out today, if I was going to spend $1,200 on my truck today, how I would do that. And I'm gonna get some opinions. Today's video will be about my truck and Clay's and Matt's. Tomorrow's video will be how we would spend $1,200 on the Tahoe. So if you guys like today's, make sure you come back tomorrow, 8 o'clock, and figure out how we'd spend $1,200 on the Tahoe. But we this day just got a little more interesting. Like I said, Clay's here. Say hello.
What's up, guys?
Hello. I like being awkward when I say hello. It's kind of funny. We're gonna take a look at Clay's truck today, and Matt will be here. We didn't get a chance to wash the trucks because, like I said, it's been raining like hell, and we finally got a stop. So we're gonna ride out to Cabela's, hopefully get some rollers today. So you guys make sure to check out my Instagram for those rollers. I'm excited. Let's get to it. I gotta fix this lighting. Why is I look like Two-Face right now. One side of my face is completely dark and the other side's light. That helped a little bit. They took us to this spot that I've never been before. Absolutely awesome spot. Like, this is, I don't know, I guess, what is this, like a wakeboarding course? Yeah, you should call it wakeboarding. This is like, I drive by this every now and then and I see it. This is really cool. They do wakeboarding and stuff down here, but we got the this is considered a bow tie. So I could say the old bow ties over here, trying to get some pictures for the day. And there's a Dodge riding around, a big old Dodge that they're like trying to find us. So maybe that Dodge will come over here and we can get that in the video. There's the Dodge. You about to see it. Right there. Big old wheels on it. What's he doing? What's he doing? Right there. Y'all see it? Y'all see the Dodge? Right there? I don't know who that is, but he's got a pretty nice truck. so we found the Dodge, and it's probably the sexiest Dodge I've seen in Atlanta. Don't even know where to start. 24x16s, 38-inch Nittos, super lift on it. Said he just did the twin turbo setup on it. So we got the twin turbo setup. Dang. We saw it driving down the road, and then we went to take pictures, and we saw him again, and then we finally caught up to him. This thing looks bad. Guys, this is George, one of the coolest guys that I've ever met in Atlanta. I'm expecting huge things out of this truck, so you guys stay tuned for more. He doesn't have an Instagram, so I can't tag him below, but make sure you guys stay tuned. You're gonna see a lot more of this truck, trust me. Huge, just awesome, awesome guy. Just moved here a couple months ago. Florida boy, just like me. So y'all stay tuned for more from him as he should be rolling out in just a second. Ooh. Well, today turned out to be quite the interesting day. It started off as rainy and me wanting to just go to Cabela's, to meeting up with Matt and Clay, and meeting an awesome new friend named George. Like I said, George doesn't have an Instagram, but you guys will see more of him and that truck. Today has been a day. I was gonna do the whole, you know, how would I spend my 1,200 bucks, but maybe we'll do that tomorrow. Tonight's video will probably be a little bit late, but you know, we're getting this bread, we're grinding. Sometimes things get pushed back a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. I hope you guys are ready for some awesome content to come. Man, I'm super excited today. You know, sometimes you meet people and it really just opens your eyes a little bit, and I'm just super excited for, you know, the rest of the year. We're gonna get through this coronavirus stuff. Make sure you guys stay focused, stay dedicated to your craft. Use this time to really chase your dreams. I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay focused, stay motivated. As always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.